press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome back to the English class. So, I did a lesson in the previous class, that is Next with the Grandparents. You know what the story was, right? So, let's we move the activities work now. You have to open page number 114 and 115, 114 and 115. Take a pencil, dear children, sit properly all of you and take a pencil. What I am going to explain now, you have to take it down, right? So, while dashes is given there, you have to take it down. So, let's we understand the relationships now. Kinship terms. My sister and brother are called my siblings. So, what we used to call for my sister and brothers, dear children? Siblings. Siblings. Next, my father's mother is my paternal grandmother. Paternal grandmother. My father's father is my grandfather. Understanding? You have to write it on those blanks. Grandfather. Next, my mother's father is my maternal grandfather. Maternal grandfather. My mother's mother is my grandmother. My mother's mother is my grandmother. So, you have to write in those blanks, dear children. Let's see move next. You have to write it down. First one, siblings, paternal grandmother, grandfather, maternal grandfather and grandmother. Write it. So, next. Now, look up the dictionary and write the meanings of the following relationship terms. You have to go through the dictionary. So, I will explain now. See. I hope you write. Next, to whom we call cousin, nepo, nice, aunt, uncle. So, here meaning of the following relationship terms. So, to whom we called as cousin, child. Write it down, dear children. Dash is given there. Look at the dash. You have to write in pencil. Child of one's uncle or aunt. Child of one's uncle or aunt. For them we used to call as cousin, right? So, nepo, son of a brother. Brother's son is a nepo. Nice. Daughter of a brother. So, brother's daughter is a nice here. Aunt mother's sister. Mother's sister. For mother sister we used to call as aunt. So uncle, father's brother. Father's brother. Understanding? You have to write. Blanks is given that children, you have to write those blanks with a pencil. So next, write it down. Next, V2, complete the following paragraph with the kinship terms given in the box below. So let's see, come to fill these blanks to seeing the relationships. Look at box, words is given there in the box. Aunts, siblings, grandparents, cousins, grandmother, grandfather. You have to go through this paragraph. Look at the paragraph, page number 115. Once I visit my grandparents, this over, complete it. So I am going to rub now. I hope you write it. So dear children, so next main V2, 115 page V2. Once I visit my grandparents, you have to fill that blanks. First dash is grandparents, first dash. Once I visit my grandparents' house in a village, along with my parents, brother and sisters, they're all my uncles and aunts. Uncle and aunts, second dash. Had come with their children. We ate delicious food prepared by my dear grandmother. Dear grandmother. My loving grandfather told us a lot of stories at night. I played with my siblings. To whom we call siblings, dear children? Sisters, brothers and sisters, right? And cousins, and climbed trees in the huge garden. Oh, we really had a good time together. This a story we have to make it with the filling the blanks. So completed B2. V3. Rearrange the following jumbled letters to make meaningful words. So words are going to jumble there. Letters are going to jumble there. We have to make a meaningful word. Understanding? So like this given there. CUSOIN is given there. So we have to make meaningful word for this. Cousin. 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 So meaningful word I wrote now. So like that. Second one meaningful word. So there given NPHEWE is given. Actually it is Nepo. Right. NCEIE is given there. Nice. NIECE. Fourth one, SBLIGNI is given there. It is sibling. Fifth one, RANEST is given there. It is parents. Parents. Understanding? Fill those blanks, dear children. So let's we go through the V4. Look at the V4, dear children. So with the help of the clues, complete the crosswords puzzle. So puzzle is given there. With the crosswords clues, we have to fill that one. Understanding? So V4. First, lines across. I am explaining you. You have to take it down. Lines across. A person who gets used to something, addict. First one is line across. First one is addict. Second one, parents, grandparents. Grandparents, right? Third one, very tired, exhausted. Fourth one, parents and children make a family, right? Fifth one, trouble somebody is repeatedly harassed. So next, lines down. Lines down. Lines down. Look at lines down, dear children. Expression of feeling sorry, apology. First one, apology, right? Second one, relating to God heavenly, that is divine. Third one, great anger, wrath. Fourth one, make place of something or someone, that is accommodate. Right? Next, make to go and live in a other place, other area, that is migrate. So lines down, lines across. So seeing all these clues, seeing all these words, you have to fill that crosswords. So boxes is given there. So you have to fill all those boxes, dear children, right? Okay, next. Page number 117. Answer the following after you are discuss the questions in your partner. How different was the lifestyle of Anjali's from that of her grandparents? You know that in the lesson how she was different with their grandparents, right? Describe how Anjali behaved with her grandparents in the beginning. She was very rude, very angry, irritating mood on the beginning. So earlier she was do like that, but after that she was very kind. She adjusts to the grandparents, right? What change were seen after the grandparents started living with them? So before earlier they were it were very difficult to adjust to them, so because they avoid some things what they did, what they used to do. So after they adjusted all, so they also adjust, Anjali family also adjust. This was the answer. Why did Anjali behave rudely with her grandparents? You have to think about all these points, dear children. Why she was behaved rudely with their grandparents? Because she don't know the value of grandparents. She was a single child. She didn't live with a joint family. That's why it was difficult to her to adjust, right? If you were Anjali's place, how would you have react? So if you were Anjali's place, dear child. So if you were Anjali's place, so how you will react if you will in this situation? Explain the reason for the change in Anjali's by the end of the story. So end of the story you come to know that while she was alone, again her mother was in the busy schedule. She was bored. No one is there help her, no one is there talk her, no one is there tell story for recreation, somewhat. So it is very difficult to face all this problem to her. That's why she called, while the call came, she immediately go and pick the phone and told that Dada Dadi when you are coming back, right? Look at the picture of two rooms show below. They belongs to Shiva and Raju. So two rooms is given there, it's in the next page. So we have to, it is one room for one room is for Shiva and other room is Raju's. Using the words given in the box, write sentence, describe what you see. So in the box, words is given there: in, on, under, near, inside, outside, between, at, above, below. So we have to seeing all these things, we have to fill the sentence. Shiva's room, Raju's room. See, the mouse is under the table. In Shiva's room, the mouse is under the table. The vase is on the table. So in the Raju's room, the vase is on the table. So you have to look at the picture, you come to know that. So first what you have to observe the difference between this room and that room. In the Shiva's room, window is closed, but in Raju's room, window opened. We can see the sun in the Raju's room, we can't see the sun in the Shiva's room, right? Observe, dear children. So the doll is near the cot in the Shiva's room. The doll is on the cot in the Raju's room. Observe the picture, dear children. You have to observe. Window is closed, window is open. We can't see the sun, we can see the sun. There is a box above the shelf. Look at the box above the shelf in the Shiva's room. There is no box inside the Raju's room. So we have to differentiate observing the picture, we have to differentiate the sentences to using the clues, dear children. Understanding? So another one is there, observe the picture. There is no flower pot in the room, Shiva's room, there is no flower pot. But in the Raju's room, the flower pot is on the table, right? The flower pot is on the table in Raju's room. Understanding? So let's see. Page number 119. Underline the preposition in the following passage. We have to underline the prepositions. See, the word given in the box shows the position of an object. Such words are called preposition. So preposition means the word which gives the position. So it like that. Some more prepositions are of, to, from, against, with, during, for. So these are the preposition. Underline the preposition in the following passage. We have to underline the prepositions now. Anju had enjoyed having a room, a preposition. Room of her own in the past, of preposition. She hadn't shared her room with anyone else. With is a preposition. But now her parents were expected to come from with their village. To village preposition, to village, village to is a preposition, expected to is a preposition, say with is a preposition. Anju and her parents. Anju's father wanted his old parents to be near him so that he could take care of them. Of is a preposition, take preposition, to preposition, next to preposition, of, to, in. So you have to mark these all preposition, dear children. So again I am reading this paragraph. Anju had enjoyed having a room for her own in the past. She had shared her room with anyone else, but now her parents were expected to come from their village to stay with Anju and her parents. Anju's father wanted his old parents to be near him so that he could take care of them. Her room was given to her grandparents to take them comfortable during their stay. This was against her desire, but after some days Anju began to enjoy the company of her loving grandparents in her house. So this is you come to know the story, Anjali's story, that only. So 120, page number 120. So dear children, this is a work to you. Complete the following paragraph from the that is suitable preposition. So you have to fill these prepositions. So box is given there: in, of, from, to, with, near, on, for. So seeing these prepositions, you have to fill all these blanks, dear children. Understanding? You have to fill all these blanks. So let's try. My summer vacation has begun. I am now in is given there, in my grandparents' house. I love to visit them whenever I get holidays. I simply enjoy being with them. With, you have to fill the with them. They are very fond of, OF of. Me and my Didi Sheila. Early in the morning, early, in the morning I go to, TO2. Swimming with, WITH, with my dear uncle Sham and my cousin. My grandparents make delicious food for us, for us, and tell us a lot of stories, OF of, stories. My grandfather takes us for long walk, for long walk in the evening, in the evening. Sometimes we go shopping together in his scooter, He buys whatever we want from the shop. Whatever we want, he buys for us from the shop, from, FROM, which is near, NEAR, near the house. He tells us a lot of jokes, of OF of, jokes. We all are very fond of, OF of, our grandparents and pray for, FR pray for their long life and good health. It's very good, dear children. We have to pray for our long parents for their long life, right? So I hope, dear children, you have understood all these activities, grammar parts. Rest next. I will continue next lesson, next poetry, new topic. I will came with a new topic. So until that, take care, dear children. Thank you.